Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick unboxing video from Harbor Freight. I'm going to discuss about what the items are for, why I picked them up, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So all of these items I picked up at Harbor Freight for $58.92. 12 volt battery and alternator tester. This one right here was $6.99. This 12 volt battery and alternator tester that you can use through your 12 volt supply port is $3.99. The logic probe, computer safe automotive logic probe right here, this one was $9.99. The 7 to 4 wire flat adapter, 7 pin to 4 flat trailer adapter, this right here was $12.99. And the 30-foot retractable test leads from Maddox was $19.99. Alright, so these Centec 12 volt battery alternator tester, 3 LED indicator for health of your battery and alternator. Alternator voltage, low, normal, high, compact and easy to store, plug into a cigarette lighter port or 12 volt accessory port. It is item 57331. It's got information on the back. Well ventilated area due to risk of carbon monoxide poisoning, the parking brake set, blah blah blah. Yeah, I don't need to read all this. It's just a tester. Why it would say carbon monoxide poisoning, you know, maybe it's just warning people not to do it in a closed garage. I don't know. But red, green, yellow, 14.8 volts overcharging. Red, green, and yellow, all three will be yes. Normal charging, 13.4 to 14.75. Red will be no light. Green and yellow will be lit up. 13.2 to 13.4 volts charging inadequately. Red will not be lit, green will not be lit, but yellow will be. And 13.2 or below is malfunctioning. No lights will be lit for the alternator. For the battery side, LEDs lit. For 12.6 volts fully charged, all three will be lit up, red, yellow, and green. For 12.4 to 12.6 volts, red will be lit, yellow will be lit, and green will be blinking. For 12.1 to 12.4 volts, says weak. Red and yellow will be lit, green will not be lit. For 11.8 volts to 12.1 volts, says almost dead. Red will be lit, yellow will be blinking, and green will be off. For 11.75 volts or a dead battery, because anything below 11.75 volts is technically dead, red will be lit, and yellow and green will not be lit. So it might be useful to keep this as a reference guide in the vehicle. That's this guy. Just ripped it out the package real quick. This one right here is 12 volt alternator battery tester as well, but this one is Pittsburgh Automotive instead of Centec. This one is 63592. Tester has a magnetic strip for easy attachment while testing. 12 volt alternator battery, easy to read LEDs, 28-inch leads with alligator clips, and test probe. 3 alternator readings: strong 14 volt, normal 13.5, and low 13 volt. 3 battery readings: good 12.5, fair 12 volt, poor 10 volt. Does have a little bit of instructions on it. Connect the black clip to the bare metal on negative battery terminal. Touch red probe to bare metal on positive battery terminal and read LEDs. It's got some more information. I'm not going to read all that. This one's pretty flimsy. Cheap plastic. That's this guy right here. It does have a magnetic strip on it. There. Okay, this one right here, we'll cut this one open real quick. This is just a 7-pin to 4 flat. It only has four pins here on the 7-pin side, because that's all you need for that style harness for a 4-pin. This just allows you to plug in this into a 7-pin port to run a 4-pin trailer. It's nice and coiled. Doesn't come with a plug, a cover, but it doesn't necessarily need a cover, to be honest, because you're more than likely going to throw it in the truck after you're done using that anyways. But it does show you on the back, white is ground, brown is running lights, yellow is left stop and turn, and green is right stop and turn. Pretty generic, pretty simple. I was looking for the 4 flat to 7, the opposite version of this cable, but Harbor Freight doesn't look like they have any of those. Where you plug this into 4 flat, you can plug in a 7-pin trailer. I have to test this down the road. Maybe you can use this for both. Maybe it will transfer, 4 flat to 7, 7-pin, because it doesn't have these two or the center. That's how you get a 7-pin, is these 6 and the one in the center. But, who knows? Maybe this will work in the opposite. Maybe you'll be able to plug this into a truck that has 4 flat to a 7-pin style trailer, or you can use it as the information on it describes. This goes into a truck that has a 7-pin to a 4 flat. Try to test that out later down the road. This is just going to be just a quick unboxing video. Oh, and this Kenway trailer plug is 64494. This one is a computer safe automotive logic probe. This one is item number 63597. This one, before use, check to see if probe is working properly. Connect probe clips to battery, vehicle battery. Connect red clip to positive terminal and black clip to negative terminal. Touch probe to positive battery terminal. LED should glow red. Touch probe to negative terminal. LED should glow green. Turn power on to component or circuit to be tested. The ignition may need to be in the on or accessory position, and engine may need to be running. Touch component or circuit wire with probe tips or tip. LED will glow red if positive source is probed, or green if negative. It's a nice little probe, and you can use this on computer circuits. That's the main reason why I picked it up, is so you can use it on computer circuits. That's that one right there. And I will be testing these all in different videos, so you guys will get to see them down the road. It's very nice coiled cable. Very, very generic, simple design. And I actually probably can test this real quick. I do have a battery in the house. On this one down here. These battery clips are actually very nice on this unit. Light is green. Let me turn this light off. Make it easier for you guys to see. Light is green. Light is red. Very simple, easy design. Get you guys brought back over here. Okay, and the last one is this Maddox 30-foot retractable test leads, used for testing electrical circuits in automotive vehicles, trailer, boats, and more. Eliminates the need for a second person. Retractable test leads stay a desired length. Rewind into protective case, 18-gauge copper wire with color-coded insulated alligator clips, 2 different color wires for each identification. Max current for this is 10 amps. Unwound, and 6 amps wound. And it's showing 15 feet on each line. That's the 30 feet. This one is part number 5824. It also says it right here, 58024. 58024. See if I can cut this one out of the box without messing it up. Okay, got that one out. Used for electrical, what's it say on the front? Electrical circuits, automotive vehicles, and trailers. That's what it says on the front. just cutting this ring off real quick. There we go. You can wind them up by the back handles. Like so. That's all I got for you guys today. Just a pretty quick video. It's been 16 minutes, so it's not too bad of a video. I will definitely be showing these in future videos, how well they work. And if they're worth purchasing, you know, these two items I didn't necessarily need. I have a full-on $300 battery and alternator tester, but for something, you know, cheap, you know, $3.99 and $5.99 wouldn't be, you know, too bad to just do a quick test, see if they work. If it works, then hey, you know, it's a pretty simple, easy to use tool than having to grab a full-size alternator tester for. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode. One last thing, you got an Ulsa Tools link in the top of the description below down here. It will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it will kick me back 10% off my next order. So when you use it, it does help. I do appreciate it. All links are affiliate links. I do get a commission off of them. Nothing here was spent on YouTube money this time. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!